Howdy, howdy, howdy. I've been doing some sad shopping, a lot of it actually. I bought myself a new coffee table. It's huge, and because I got a new coffee table, I found that was a great reason to buy some coffee table books. So I'm gonna turn my spending into something fun and do an unboxing video. Okay, so this is the first one. And the box is huge. I don't think the book is that big. It's a lot of packaging. As much as I like to buy stuff, I always feel bad when I get these big old boxes. That's also why I'm so hard to shop for, because I buy everything I want myself. Y'all missed the big weightlifter-esque type noise I made picking this box up to put it on this desk. About to do it again. Okay, this big old box just for another box. Okay. I'm glad I'm not on camera because I've already broken a full sweat. Kind of getting excited about this. Now, if anybody who's watching this knows Jonathan Majors, tell him to send me one of those Shinola box cutters. I do like Shinola. I wanted a Shinola bike, but those are just way too expensive. Oh, this is the Rihanna book. I kind of figured that's what this one would be. This is huge. All of that. What's that lady? Who's that lady? There's another YouTube channel, Nail Career Education, where she opens packages and she just throws everything over her shoulder. Kind of feel like her today. This is massive. Tempted to just tear it open, but I also don't want to do that. Let me know in the comments if you're like me. When you open packages, you keep the boxes for an unnecessarily long amount of time. This is enormous. Wow. Jesus, Rihanna. This book is so big. Oh my goodness. I'm terrible at measuring. So I knew it was going to be large, but I was not expecting this. It's really pretty. Giving me Barbie vibes. And I loves my Barbie. I had all kinds of Barbie stuff when I was a kid. Oh my god, this thing is so big. Jesus. Forgive me for using your name in vain, but I think it's worth it in this situation. Alright, Rihanna. You know, I'm not a crazy Rihanna Navy, Rihanna music fan, but I like her. And I should have never been an A&R because I never, ever, ever would have thought that the Upon the Replay girl would be a phenomenon. But here she is. And I entertained fantasies of working for her team one day. I looked up Fenty Patents and she's got a lot of stuff in the works. I would love to be on the team. This is fun. Actually, I'm going to have a good time looking at this. She does have really pretty legs. I used to have pretty legs. Let me get my life back together. Alright, alright. This is inspirational, like I thought it would be. That's fun, that's fun. Okay, enough for Rihanna. My second book. This thing is so heavy. I'm going to look up how much it actually weighs. Alright, here's book 2. I'm going to go to the Amazon website and tell you exactly how much these things weigh, so that you understand that I'm not weak. They really are heavy. Second book. So I wanted to purchase the Rihanna book, but I wanted a second one. I have some coffee table books already, but none that were even comparable in size, and I was wrong about the size of that book. It's huge. So the second book I got was Naomi. I also love Naomi Campbell. I wanted a fashion book, but I did not want one of the cliche designer books, the Marc Jacobs, the Chanel, the Louis Vuitton, etc., etc. And then I wanted black models. There was another black model book that I saw on Amazon, but it was too small. So Naomi is the best of both worlds. I get a black model, and I get all of the good fashions. So yay for this one. Okay. Oh, she's naked. Might have to blur that out. I put my scissors away too soon. There's two things in here. How fun. Okay, I don't know if they're two separate books or a bigger and small version of the same thing. My scissors away too soon. The excitement I'm feeling right now is back when I'm dating myself, but back when like a new CD used to come out. You go to the little store, get your CD, you come home and open it up, and then look through the little jacket inside the CD cover, the booklet. That's the vibes I'm feeling right now. So I'll link these books in the description. I don't have affiliate codes. I tried to do the Amazon affiliate program, but I hadn't built my following enough to really capitalize on it, and I was lazy on top of that. So here's a little book. This one's like, oh, this one's like a book. There's Pat McGrath, all of the Christy Turlingtons and folks, etc. So yeah, this is great. So this is the real book, the Naomi story. Iman's in here. It's a great idea to actually bridge the gap, is to get a model's book. Tyson Beckford. That's going to be a fun read. And then here is the table book with all her naked essence. Just going to flip to the middle. Oh, look at that. This is dope. This is dope. I love it. It's naked in here a lot. A lot. That's all right though, because she's Naomi. Pretty cool. I've seen this picture before. It's fun. I've been reading fashion magazines, I think since about 8th grade, maybe before that, but definitely 8th grade is when I really got into fashion. And I recognize so many of these pictures. So that's fun. All right, well, if you stayed with me through my coffee table book unboxing, I hope you enjoyed. And my next video will be actually staging my coffee table, so that'll be fun. But I'm waiting for my rug so that I can reorient my room.